if the cube if the cube is not solved like that, so you have to do certain steps. Write it out 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then turn it this side. It should be like that, and this side. 1, left L. 2, 3. Bam. So okay. It should be solved like that upper side. So oh, sorry for that. I just take like that. It should be first of all left side, right L, then left L, just turn it around. Okay, so it should be solved. So it's solved. This corner is solved. This corner is solved. This corner is solved. And this is also solved. So this step is very easy, but you have to make sure that you do this step like that. Don't just hold like this. It should be hold like this, facing your yellow one like that, and it should be like there only. Just prefer like right here until this corner doesn't solve. Yes. Okay. This corner is also. We'll do this corner. And so this is also solved, so we will do like that. So this corner solved, this corner solved, but not this solved. So that step is very easy, and you will learn how to do this whole Rubik's cube. So this corner is yellow solved, yellow solved, white solved. Then just do squeeze it around. So if it doesn't solve, then you have to do this step only, and if it solves, then bam. Or certain time in this step only full Rubik's cube solves, or in some steps not solved. And make sure that if you hadn't let's say if you don't have one this, it should be one of any color. It should be, but it should be only one. If it is like green and green, then you have done some wrong things with this Rubik's cube. So this step is very easy, say. So let's go to next step.